The fish, symbol of the early Christians, and the Christians were their principal contingent. Clumsy, semi-literate, and unable to deliver speeches from the rostrum or to compose an underground proclamation, they went off to camp to face tortures and death, only so as to not renounce their faith. They knew very well for what they were serving time, and they were unwavering in their convictions. They were the only ones, perhaps, to whom camp philosophy and even the camp language did not stick. And were these not politicals? Well, you'd certainly not call them riffraff. There was a multitude of Christians, prisoner transports and graveyards, prisoner transports and graveyards. Who will count those millions? They died unknown, casting only in their immediate vicinity a light like a candle. They were the best of Russia's Christians. The worst had all trembled, recanted, and gone into hiding.